Hello and welcome. Today we're working in managerial accounting, our full course. We're in the activity-based costing chapter, and we're going to show you an example of how to calculate the cost per unit using the ABC costing, so activity-based costing. Hey, if you're new, my name is Jeff. I teach a lot of accounting, a lot of finance, so please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started on this problem. Here we have the uniform company that uses ABC and has the following activity rates. So we have determined ahead of time that the setup is going to cost us $2,500 per setup. The materials handling costs us $180 per requisition, and inspection costs us $6 per unit that we inspect. So that's our activity rates. And let's say we produced 2,000 units. And so producing that 2,000 units, we have actual activity. We had 4 setups, we had 30 requisitions of materials, and we had 2,000 units inspected. So what is our overhead cost per unit for these 2,000 that we produced? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to create a little chart. So I've just set up the activity. So what I want to do is take these 3 activities and put them here on this chart. And how many activities did we use? Well, it's going to be the 4 for setup, and then I'll copy it down, the 30 and the 2,000 units that are inspected. Well, what's our activity rate? Well, it's based on the first chart here that's given. 2,500 is the cost for each setup. And what is the cost for materials handling? Well, it's $180, and the inspection is $6 for each unit. Okay, so what we have is these are given information, so we just need to multiply these up. We're going to take 4 times the 2,500. We're going to get 10,000 is the cost associated with those 2,000 that we've produced, right? We're going to do the same thing for 30 times 180. The 30 times 180 is going to be 5,400. You see, I've just copied the formula down. And then 2,000 times 6 is going to be $12,000. Now, what's the total of the allocated cost? Well, the total is going to be 27,400. And how many units did we produce of this? Well, we produced 2,000. So what is our cost, our overhead cost per unit, or MOH, cost per unit? 27,400 divided by the 2,000. So here we have our final answer here is $13.70. So what happens on activity-based costing is we have activities, we have a activity rate, how much it costs for each of the activities, and we count up the activities, how many setups, how many times did we issue purchase orders or requisitions or whatever, and then we multiply it all up and divide by the number of units. So the answer to this problem, it cost us $13.70 of overhead per unit. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.